We are at Third Coast Off-Road, and today we are going to be putting springs on Project Yeti. I got some riding I'm doing this weekend, and why not put some MTS springs to make the ride even that much better in Project Yeti. Fresh seals and fluid going into the front shocks. Proper color right there, silver on silver. So we're sitting here doing a fluid change on Project Yeti, and Trail Armor just got even cooler. If you have the conveniency of having a lift, not only does Trail Armor put custom logos on your skid plate, for the Xpedition they have an oil filter panel. So you take this off and then you can actually just reach up there and grab the oil filter. If you have the ADV version, you gotta go into the bed area and then take the mat out, and there's a panel up there. It's still a pain in the ass. And if you have an Xpedition like me with a bunch of stuff in the back, it sucks pulling it out. I get it's only when you do your fluids, but still inconvenient. Big shout out to Trail Armor for making it convenient for oil changes on the Xpedition. Got the fresh MTS springs, all new fluids in Project Yeti. It's gonna be ready for the benefit ride for Bennett in St. Helen that I'm gonna be attending. He just recently got in a bad accident, and so we're gonna go out there and try supporting and helping. But if you're looking for maintenance upgrades, or you got a ride coming up this weekend and you don't want to do the work, head to Third Coast Off-Road. I got a link for him below, go check it out. Well, let's head to St. Helen. Boys and girls, we're here at the Sand Bowl for the benefit ride for Bennett. He is a young man that got injured recently doing a long jump at an event. And as you guys can see, the whole side-by-side community has pretty much showed up. R3 is putting on the event, and all the funds go directly to the family. So we decided to show up and represent in Project Yeti, hang out with everybody, and support the cause. See that badass hoodie right there? That could actually win you Project Yeti right here, because it ends December 13th, and I call the winner on Christmas Day. Somebody's got to win this. Got a link for it below. It's a freaking $60,000 Xpedition. Heat, AC, we even got a portable fridge in the back. All your trail sodas are always cold. Ice is a thing of the past. Perfect vehicle for today because it's pretty chilly out, and we're just gonna go cruise with everybody. There's Bobby. It's a leisure ride today, so nothing should break.
Nothing should break, but it's a lot colder than it was in Utah.
Yes, it is. All right, boys and girls, I don't really know where the rides are going today, but we're gonna hang out with everybody and just have a good time.
This is a Dirt Dudes kind of ride.
Yeah, this is a Dirt Dudes kind of ride, yep.
Talking.
Ride for 5, sit for an hour.
I guess not necessarily the slow pace part.
Yeah.
Not a lot of riding, a lot of talking.
We cover a lot of ground in those 5 minutes.
Right.
Well, it looks like the group ride is starting up. There's definitely over 100 vehicles. Pretty wild how many people came out here to show support. Thank you to everybody that's came up and said hi, and everybody just coming out to support Bennett. I also have a passenger today, meet Matt. I became friends with him at the Powersports Expo, and now he's all the way here in Michigan. He has side-by-side or die. I'm gonna have a link for that in the description. You guys go get some merch, or you guys can also check out Inferno Wear, dude. You got an ambassador Inferno Wear.
Yes, sir.
And we're gonna have some stuff coming up with that. You guys have heard me talk about it in the past. I ain't gonna go over right now, but stay tuned. The 4-seater Xpedition is gonna have some Inferno Wear put on it. We're gonna solve some of the heating issues for people riding in the back and getting hot. Because anybody that, even the 2-seater, they transfer the heat from the engine, you could get sweaty back. So we got an answer here, Inferno Wear.
110% answer.
But let's hop in Project Yeti and start cruising around St. Helen here. So since there's so many cars, obviously it's not going to be probably a very exhilarating ride. You got a lot of vehicles, we got to navigate through the trails. But I can tell you one thing, me and Matt are the most comfortable people probably here. We got a couple other Xpedition brethrens.
following a 1994 Dodge Ram?
I don't know what the hell just happened. There was some people in front of us in the group ride, and all of a sudden I look up far ahead and they're just following a pickup truck. Maybe the pickup truck's part of the group ride. But yeah, there was no more side-by-sides in front of them. So we've kind of actually lost the group ride, which is crazy. I didn't think that would happen. So I went and asked the truck to pull to the side and got everybody freaking flowing through here. Oh my gosh, boys. That's wild. Yeah. Yeah. Woo! Oh yeah. Look at that beautiful car. Fusion Off-Road. Hell yeah. Hold this. It got all. Oh my God. Just got a package from Brunt, and I'm gonna surprise my buddy Garrett with a pair of boots. Look at this goon out there working in the rain in tennis shoes. That's why we're gonna hook him up with a pair of Marins. We've been having some projects going on here at the dirt compound because we're running out of space. We got first world problems here. So Garrett has been building me a lean-to.
Almost done.
Getting there, exactly. But hey, dude, why are you working in tennis shoes?
Why not?
I got a gift for you. Come in the shop.
A gift for me, huh?
Is it a razor?
It might be. You could win one.
Oh, dude.
It ain't a Bush Light pack.
Oh, you're teasing me now with things.
It ain't a hoodie. It's a brand new set of boots from Brunt.
I've heard of these things. I've just never had a pair, and I don't wear boots much.
Yeah, you need a pair, dude.
Dang, dude.
I would say that's a big upgrade in style, too.
They ain't the slip-ons, but they'll keep my feet dry, it looks like.
I'm rocking the slip-ons.
They steel?
No, they're composite.
Oh, they're composite?
So they're lightweight, and it gets cold here in Michigan, so you don't get a cold toe. We are wearing the same hoodies. I'm not gonna lie, I tried them on for a second. They're pretty nice.
Tried on my boots?
I did try on your boots. So if your buddy is like mine and was rocking some crappy tennis shoes, hook them up this holiday season, and Brunt is having limited edition boots and hoodies. They sold out pretty fast last year, so the inventory is a little tight. You better keep an eye on their socials and their website. And don't forget, you can save $10 by using code DIRTDUDES10. There's a link for it right below, or scan the QR code on the screen. Thanks to Brunt for sponsoring the video. Garrett, you get back to working on the lean-to. You got brand new boots now, and I'm gonna get back to editing. And you guys get back to watching this awesome video. Well, good thing we stopped here because we're gonna do a little trail side maintenance. One of the tires is going flat, so we don't have a jack or anything, but we're gonna use the winch on Project Yeti, the vehicle you guys could win. Yep, equipped with a 4,500-pound winch, mounted on an electric off-road bumper.
So he thinks he's gonna win this thing. He's already convinced. He goes, "That's my new one with heat and air conditioning."
His brand new side-by-side is rescuing him already.
Side by side, Chris. Thank you, bro.
No problem. This tire took a crap?
Yeah, it's all flat right here.
Oh, it is flat. Oh, shit.
7 plugs in the damn thing. Come on, bro, let's just throw your spare on. Need a ratchet too, bro.
You got a soft shackle or anything?
Project Yeti strong as shit.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Enter to buy.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, brother.
Entry's over, but it's okay. You can still enter to
Stay
win.
tuned.
Stay tuned. There might be more.
So he's gonna back up a little bit, and we're just gonna hook it right to the tree kicker. Might pick up my car. There it goes. Keep going. That's good? We'll dig it out. R.I.P. the roof. We got winter edition gear dropping soon. Hey, it might be up right now. If it is, I'll put it right here.
Clear in Bay 1.
Oh, she came back. It ain't that bad.
Project Yeti for the win, bro.
Yep, good rescue.
Hey, good rescue.
If you've been following us for a while, you guys saw us go out west and eat scorpion suckers. Well, last time I was out there, I got some bacon cheddar crickets. A little gift for Gary. I was like, oh, man, you missed Utah. You showed up in Oklahoma, but Here.
You know what?
T already ate.
I was like,
Is T over there eating them?
what the? Oh.
Pork rinds. Is it not good? That shit is good.
I don't-
Pork rinds.
I don't think he has the
No.
same opinion as
No,
you.
it's actually just like one of them.
Okay, give me a cricket. God
Yeah,
damn it.
here we go, baby.
Here, get it up on this. Let me.
Here, there's his.
Oh,
You got an eyeball, dude. Hold
I'm
on.
not good at this.
Hold on, you
stuff,
gotta get.
bro.
Look.
You f***ed me up with the eyeball, bro.
Well, that's the butthole. Just pop him.
Dude, I'm just gonna eat the head. I ain't eating that other shit.
Oh, that is the head.
Uh,
Do it. It just needs some salt.
uh.
It's not bacon cheddar, I'll tell you that much. Don't make the noise. I'm good until you started making.
That's the bacon cheddar cricket challenge. I couldn't taste anything. It was just the fact
Oh,
that
it's
I
in my-
knew it was a cricket
It's
head.
in my tooth.
Yeah. It exploded. Stop. All right. We got the crew. We're going to start heading back to the main area where everybody's going to be hanging out tonight. Let's get a little good shred session back. You get up to speed, it actually floats quite a bit better over these bumps. The MTS springs are a big difference. Way, way better than those Super ATV tender springs.
You still feeling the side effects of the cricket?
Yeah, I'm burping out cricket.
We're good. Go ahead, tighten the camera.
Super impressed with how good the ride quality is. I did only do springs. I didn't give you guys the MTS valving. I'm sorry. You're gonna have to do that on your own. Head to Third Coast. They can get you situated. But this thing is, I don't know, 150% better than stock. It's ridiculous. All right, we've made it to Airport Park. It's basically the parking area if you want to ride in St. Helens across the street. What is the name of it? They already said it to me. Richfield Town Park. As you guys can see, the parking lot is full. Shout out to R3. They're raising money for Bennett here. People donated stuff like that rifle that just sold for $5,000. Gonna let everybody do their thing in there. They're gonna auction off some stuff and raise some more money. Probably make our way back to the Sand Bowl and see what shenanigans are going on there tonight. Look at that beautiful rig, boys and girls. We are here at the Sand Bowl in St. Helens. Check out the Ravek Lights. These things are freaking amazing. Even have the turn signal kit installed here too. But right here, we got the Ravek Lights inside, and this is one of my favorite features. You can close the tailgate, lights turn off. They also turn on when you open them. The Modelo Club's hanging out up there.
Modelo Mafia, baby.
And that is a wrap for today's video. I appreciate everybody that came out there and supported Bennett. It was a hell of a good time. Well, not much action, but this was more for a good cause. Project Yeti did get to go stretch its leg zone, do a rescue mission. And just so you guys know, we did a big merch drop today. We have youth clothing now and women's clothing, so the whole family can be decked out in Dirt Dude stuff. Plus a bunch more men's clothing, long sleeve, hoodies, and outerwear for women and men. I mean, big, thick winter coats, vests, flannels. Go check it out, guys. And you guys know the gig. you get entered to win this machine when you're buying the clothing. But don't forget, parts get you included, and we have deals going on like MTS, 20% off. Appreciate all you guys for watching, and I will also be attending Moundsgiving. So I'll be hanging out there Thanksgiving Day. I'll be in Project Yeti. If I see you, come say hi. Till next time, peace.
Yeah.